On a recent trip to Dollar Tree, I noticed that my Dollar Tree had some new wall decals out, so I went ahead and picked up some wall decals. They have these really beautiful flowers along with some other ones that are good for home decor, so we're going to go ahead and DIY with these today. We're going to start out with this wood frame from Hobby Lobby. It's a natural wood color. I'm going to leave it a natural wood color. I like the way that this looks with the sticker behind it. I picked up a couple of these thinking that I might need to use 2 of them, but this project is only going to need 1 of these stickers. This is super easy. Anyone can make this project because all you're going to do is lay that sticker right down into the frame. It's a little longer than the frame, so all I'm going to do is take an X-Acto knife once I have it laid down, and I'm going to cut off any of the excess pieces that are hanging over in the frame. That is it for this project. It's super easy, it's really cute, and definitely has a farmhouse look. Let me know if you're going to give this project a try. For this project, we're going to pick up one of these galvanized signs. This one came from the Dollar Tree Plus section. Let me know in the comments if you like shopping in the Dollar Tree Plus section, or if your Dollar Tree even has a Dollar Tree Plus section. Every once in a while, I get comments that say that they don't have a Dollar Tree Plus section, and I thought that they had rolled those out in all Dollar Trees, so let me know if yours does not have one still. But we're going to lay this kitchen sticker down onto this galvanized sign. Now it's a little bit taller, this one, than the piece that hangs it. So all I'm going to do is take my X-Acto knife and cut around the tie part, and then I'm going to lay my sticker around the tie part. So it looks like it's within the like going around the tie part. Then we're just going to go ahead and lay the rest of them down, one right next to each other. So these are really cute. I have a couple magnets on my fridge that have these same kind of equivalent measurements, but I really liked how this turned out, and I think this would make a really great gift for like a wedding or anything that could go in a new kitchen, someone who maybe just moved. I don't know. I really loved how this one turned out. It's definitely my favorite for the day. So all we're going to do is lay those down, and then we're going to take some buffalo check ribbon. We're going to make a super easy bow, and we're going to hot glue it up into the right hand corner. I went ahead and dovetailed the ends of the ribbon, and then I added a button in the middle just for a little bit more embellishments. Let me know what you guys think about this one, and if you would give this one as a gift or be happy to receive it as a gift. For this project, we're going to use one of these wooden boxes that you can get in the Dollar Tree Plus section. Now this one comes with a couple wood cutout pieces. I've had this since the fall season, but they usually have something similar over there for each season. I'm just going to remove the packaging and the stickers, and then we're going to go ahead and give it a good coat of paint. I'm using a neutral gray color. I can't remember what the color is, but I will leave it down in my description box. But we're going to cover the whole box with this color. Once we have it colored and it's dried, we're going to take this blue flower. Now originally I thought I might add some of the other flowers from the sticker on here, but I really loved how just this one flower looked. It's a very pretty color, and I love the little gold details in it. I'm going to use this white nautical rope, and we're going to add a couple of little handles onto the side of the box for a tray style, and then I'm just going to hot glue those, and that is it for this project. I really love how this one turned out. It's very high-end looking. Let me know what you guys think about this one. this project, we're going to start with this wood plank sign that I had in my garage. It was gifted to me, so I'm not really sure where it came from, but then we're going to take this really beautiful butterfly sticker that they have at Dollar Tree. It's a wall decal, and we're going to go ahead and place it onto our project. Now, I just want to note here, I left this part in like I'm struggling getting it off the packaging. I just wanted to let you guys know that there are some intricate parts to the wings and things, so when you're removing it from the sticker sheet, you just want to be careful not to tear any of the pieces. It was pretty hard to get off, just to make sure that like some of the little pieces of the flowers did not get torn in the process. And I do go ahead and add some glue to this. The background of my wood is a little rough, and so I went ahead and added some glue to keep it down. Now, I just want to note here that this project is not a project that I really loved, and I didn't really like how it ended up turning out, but I left it in here for some inspiration, just because I really love the decal, and you know, we can all gain experience and knowledge from things that don't go well. So this year I've been really trying to learn some new techniques with painting, and I've been really interested in watercolors, and so this is kind of where this project went. I wanted to try out some techniques that I'd been learning. So I am using watercolor here, and one of the techniques I had seen was doing some shadowing behind things that you draw or paint, and so I thought I'd try that here. Now, it doesn't work out for this project, and I realized that, but I left it in just to give you guys some inspiration. So I'm going around the background here and doing kind of some, I guess, shadowing, and I do decide that I don't love it, so I go ahead and add some more around in the background, and that doesn't turn out well either. So, but I wanted to go ahead and let you guys know that, you know, when you start new things, it's okay if they don't turn out well. And I always like to keep these projects around, just because when I get farther along in my journey of learning new things, I like to look back and see how far I've came. Now, I do think, you know, that you could do some different things with this decal. I definitely want to give it another try, maybe in another video where we make a different project with this. But off camera, I do go ahead and blend this a little bit more. I do decide to go ahead and add a flower here in the middle for the butterfly, and then I'm going to add a button in the middle of that. Let me know, I hope, if you got some inspiration from this. If you're a watercolor painter, let me know if you have any techniques for how that might work. And this is the final look of this project. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the projects today. I've included some videos right here so we can keep on crafting together. And as always, wherever you are in your journey is a perfect place to start. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, friends.